Word problem example number 2. Kenna works as a freelance graphic designer. She earns a base pay of $150 per month plus $25 for each logo she designs. Last month, she earned $775 in total. How many logos Kenna design last month? Okay, so what we know, there's a base pay of $150. So I think I want to write that down. Okay, so meaning if she's not going to make any logo whatsoever, she will still earn $150. Now, plus, that's a mathematical term, so I'll just put the plus sign there, $25 per logo. Now, we don't know the number of logos, right? So let's make a variable that will represent that, and let's just say it's X. Okay, so X is the number of logos Kenna designed last month. Okay, if you add all of that, according to the problem, last month Kenna earned $775, and that's gonna be our equation. So all we need to do is to solve for X here. So isolate the X, remove 150 first by adding the inverse of that on both sides. So that cancels out. Again, whatever you do on the left, you do it on the right side. That's how properties of equality works. So 775 minus 150, because they have different signs, you need to subtract them. The answer is 625. And finally, here we just need to divide both sides by 25. And there you go. That's the answer. X equals 25.